मतलब Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
What is the last one we are discussing? What is the last one? The time up to which it returns back. That one only or
Yes,
something
sir.
else?
Yes, sir.
See, there is an inclined plane here making an angle of 37 degrees. There is a block M and this is a mu given as 0.5 and mass is at 10 kg. Now here okay. As you know, first of all, what you have to check
Motion is done, sir.
okay, there are three parts for this. Understood this whole problem?
Yes,
Like
sir.
analyzing. Note it down.
Yes, sir.
So let us analyze part by part with inclined plane. First of all, let us check what is actually angle of repose. First, we'll find that. We should check whether block moves or not. No.
Yes, sir.
How do you take angle of repose? Tan
Tan alpha.
tan alpha equals mu s. What is mu s? We got 0.5, 1 by 2. Am I right?
Yes,
That
sir.
means what should be theta? Alpha. 30 degrees, no? Root 5. 1 by root 5 is approximately 1 by root 5. This is approximately 2, no? Nearly 30 degrees. No?
Yes, sir.
See, like this you should make approximation. Definitely near to this. So here given theta as 37 degrees, which is greater than alpha. Therefore, block moves in which direction?
Downward.
Downward. That means the forces acting on the block are, this is mg sine theta, friction should act upward. No? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Fk. This is the normal reaction. See, if that nothing is mentioned, you can take mu k is approximately as mu s. Okay, and given mu. Follow this? That means the
Yes,
given
sir.
mu, there is nothing mentioned. So you can use it for either mu s or mu k. Follow this?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
here
sir.
you can see the acceleration, net force downwards. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Substituting the values. Simplifying this, you will get the acceleration. Understood this? Shall
Yes,
I
sir.
turn the page?
I mean,
This calculation you can do later. Method you understood, no?
Yes, sir.
See, in advanced, what will they know? A, B, C, D, they'll give like this. These four. Understood this? The four questions will be given like this. The answers will be here. Okay. There will be multiple also. For example, he may ask normal reaction, the acceleration, everything. Okay, you should match them. Understood this? This is called matrix
Yes,
matching.
sir.
Shall I turn this?
Just a minute, sir.
One minute. Sir, in case D, is that minimum or maximum?
Which one?
In case D.
Hmm.
That what is the maximum force now, sir?
No, no, he did not say. What is if now a force is inclined? Find the axle, the block is initially at rest. He applied that force. That's constant or another. It's not a variable force. Only for variable force you will have maximum and minimum. Follow this? Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
The acceleration is 2 meter per second, sir.
Which one? So this one.
Yes, sir.
Return this.
Yes, sir.
Now let us analyze the situation of B. In B, what is saying?
Force of 75 Newton is applied
So
upwards.
we'll draw the free body diagram in this case. What is the other force you have?
MB sin 37. Block will move up, sir.
What is the net driving force?
15, sir. 15 newtons upward.
Sir, frictional force won't be there.
Then first you have to check this. Next force tending to cause motion.
Minus 60, sir.
How much you are getting?
15, sir. 75 minus 60.
And now you have to check limiting friction. Mass is how much?
10, sir. Forty, sir. Limiting friction is more than external force. If limiting friction is more than external force, block will not move.
I told you this long back, no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Any doubt
Yes,
is
sir.
there?
No, sir.
No, sir. Sir, after
Yeah.
this problem, I posted one question in the doubts group, sir.
Pardon?
After this problem, can you solve the question which I posted in the doubts group, sir?
Which one?
In the doubts group, sir, I posted one question from the assignment, sir.
I'll check up. I did not check up this. See, I posted some assignment to you. Friction, that's 2 days back, circular motion, no? Actually, that is not for you. You cannot do those problems. That is actually at the last level problems. For seniors, I am supposed to post. By mistake, I just pressed this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Bobby? Right. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So I'll post the remaining things today.
Yes,
So
sir.
right now, shall I turn this?
Yes,
Complete
sir.
this?
1
Completed.
minute, sir. Done, sir.
Now read the part 3. Question number 30 C. What he says? How much? How much force should be added to 75 newtons so that the block starts to move up the plane is asking. Okay. That means
75, sir.
to move the block, at least equal to what? Limiting friction. No?
Limiting friction.
Now we have do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
For
sir.
25 newtons, sir.
So what is the extra force?
25 newtons.
Understood this? Clear?
Sir.
Sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Let's.
Go to the last part. See what that fellow says is
1 minute,
how
sir.
much it should be replaced. Replace and remove. Now when F is removed, What is mg sin theta?
60.
Now, which is more?
mg sin theta.
And theta.
Therefore, the block moves
Downward.
in which direction friction will act?
What? You need more 20 Newton.
Agreed. That means
Yes,
the
sir.
block has a tendency to come down. So friction acts in which direction? So if you apply another force,
20.
the minimum force, no? Till here, any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute.
Now, see here the idea is not the number of problems you are doing. The thing is, are you able to grasp the concept or not? That is more important. Quality of grasping is of prime importance than quantity of grasping. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Hello?
1 minute, sir.
Fast. Completed?
Yes, sir. Done.
Hmm?
Done, sir.
Abrar, followed. See, here you have mu s 0.6, mu k 0.5. Understood this?
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now we can say two cases, man. Block M why? Because what is the angle of repose? First calculate angle of repose. Followed.
By 5.
Tan alpha is mu s. Tan alpha, what is mu s? 0.6 means
0.6.
3 by
3
4,
by
no?
5.
Right only.
3 by 5, sir.
So alpha is how much then? Greater than 37 or less than 37?
Less than 37.
This is less than 37 degrees, no? Therefore, block M has tendency to move. Till here, any doubt is there? Now let us
No doubt.
say first case. Then draw the free body diagram of this, you'll be getting an idea. Friction acts in which direction?
Upward.
Do you agree with this? Agreed.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now here you can see block should not move, no? Do you agree with this?
Sir, it has tendency to move now, sir.
The tendency is moving is your tendency to study, but you are not studying. Are they not different? Tendency means if it's like zero value, positive or negative.
Positive.
Find out M. Mu s is how much? How much you getting? M. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It cannot move down, I am saying. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Case 2. Analyze this. Friction acts in this direction. So as before, the same story, no? Can you do or not? Do it.
Yes, sir.
You can do it now.
Yes, sir.
You will get M value. So we can say that follow this.
Sir, block
Yes,
cannot
sir.
move up, no, sir. If M is less than,
Hmm?
no, sir,
Hmm.
nothing.
That's what he is asking, no?
Sir,
Tell.
that should be T minus MD sin 37 minus mu s into NG cos 37, sir.
Why? This one.
Friction is more.
She'll get 54 kgs.
Yes, sir.
Understood how to do?
Yes, sir.
Range minimum value or maximum value. First, just see the tendency. First, find the angle of repose. Is that angle or angle of friction? If it is horizontal surface, you take it as angle of friction. The body is tending to move. You can check whether it is moving in one direction, then you'll get one value. Opposite direction, another value.
Yes.
Understood? Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
That means the maximum value is 54, minimum value is 6. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you solve that question, please?
Hmm? Hold on.
That question, sir, in the doubt score.
I'll check it. No mobile. Right now it is not near me. I have to go and check
Yes, sir.
it. Shall I turn this? See, from today, AIMS class will be there. From today, AIMS classes will restore. Those are interested can attend. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And please avoid your dirty boards and all. It's a decoration for dead body. Final exams you have to get marks. You read only during that time, not daily. You finish the Chaitanya friction, huh?
Sir, those questions are not understandable, sir.
Very tough, huh?
No, sir, some are, sir. Sometimes they are dividing all that, so can't understand those. Sir. A few
Which one?
questions.
Not this one which I posted by mistake. The remaining.
No, sir, that one only, sir, which you posted long before.
That is tough. Okay.
A few questions, sir. I posted from the Chaitanya assignment only, sir.
I'll tell. Note on this. See here, first of all, the driving force we'll see. Check up the driving force and the force of friction. Then we'll come to tension. If you take this as a system and we are applying a net driving force, how much is that?
120 meter.
Okay. And what is the net frictional opposing force?
Friction.
What is the resisting force?
Friction.
Do you agree with this?
But we are taking as a system now, sir. So we should take the whole mass now.
That's what I'm doing. But friction is different, no? Total mass of the system I'm taking.
Yes, sir, got it.
Whole mass I'm including. Man. Now you can see resisting force is more, no?
Yes, sir.
So it can be concluded system is stationary, no?
Yes, sir.
Now in this, there are two possibilities. First thing is is it correct or not? Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the tension? You can see this is what 120 tension. This is the force of static friction. F is equal to 120, no? Okay. Therefore, T should be 0 only, no?
Yes, sir.
No motion you are saying, no? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So what is T? 0. Even for this block also, you are applying 100. Force of friction is static. This is tension. Even for this you have, and 100 equals F. Therefore T is 0. Because when there is no motion, force of friction is applied force. No. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Force of friction equals external force tending to cause motion. No.
Yes, sir.
See, tension does not cause motion. External force tending to cause motion is this one. See the total analysis. How much you have to think. So in this case also tension is 0. Can you tell what is the other possibility? Other possibility is one may be static, the other is limiting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? See? Any doubt is there?
No, sir. No, no.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
1 minute.
Followed this? Now, is it possible to check? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
What is the limiting friction?
Nearest into N.
Can it be static?
No, sir.
Similarly, for glee,
That
what is
also
the
would be
limiting
static, sir.
friction?
60.
How much you are getting 60? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Now your 100 is more than F limiting. So B can move, no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, force of friction. So first possibility is rolled out. Do you agree? Understood
Yes,
what is
sir.
advanced? Understood what is advanced?
Yes, sir.
One problem is 10 problems. You can check other subjects, they won't be teaching all this number of concepts in a single problem. One problem is only one formula, that's why it will go like that. Shall I turn this? Now we have to check for the second possibility. Shall I turn this?
Sir, can you please move the page a little leftward, sir?
Hold on.
Can you please move the page a little? Yes, sir. Thanks.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Now that means second possibility you have to check. What is the second possibility?
1 minute.
Somebody asked to keep this, huh? Anybody asked?
Yes, sir.
Anybody asked this?
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir, completed.
So now we have to check for because you have two possibilities. One is not possible, second should be there, no? That means
Yes, sir.
on. Agreed. So we can say that that is friction on one block getting scared.
No, sir.
Because you join for advanced, this headache is coming. Shall I teach pseudo advanced?
No, sir.
Right, come back to this. Now here, draw the free body diagram. How much you got maximum?
90 and 60.
What is the other mass, man?
20, sir, 20 kg.
Let us assume so this is more. So this will be trying to move like this. Do you agree with this or not? Clear?
No, why is one block static, sir? Both were limiting, no, sir.
Hmm?
Sixty, sir.
So now, if it reaches first, what will happen? Draw the free body diagram. This is 120. This is friction. It reaches, I told no. So when it reaches limiting, still it is static
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
because tension is trying to pull like this. For example, this moves like this, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 104 Newton force is the external force for causing motion.
Both
Understood
external,
this or
sir.
not? Do you agree with this? I am reading block 10 kg block reaches limiting. That means the other one is static, that value is not known. So in this case, 120 should be equal to T plus 90, T equals 30. Here T plus F equals 100. 30 plus F equals 100. What is F? 70. Now
70.
can F be 70?
No, sir.
Why?
Because maximum voltage was 60.
Since
FB.
what is the maximum? What is the maximum value you have?
60.
Therefore, this possibility is also ruled out. Now the last possibility should be this. Understood what I am barking? Okay,
Yes, sir.
therefore,
Understood, sir.
now let us take first, okay? That means this is 100, this is 60. This is tension. This is trying to move like this with the force of friction. This is the tension. 100 equals T plus 60. T is 40. 120 equals T plus F. 40 plus F. F is how much? 80. Okay, this is less than Fmx. Okay, followed.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, this is correct. Therefore, tension must be how much? 40 newtons.
40 newtons.
Now, what you will do if you don't teach that, you take the forces of friction. Okay, you are not getting the answer. Physics is difficult, you are saying. If you analyze why it will be difficult, man. Any doubt is there in this?
No doubt, sir.
Yadama. Note on this.
ఒకసారి చూస్తాను ఇది కూడా పెట్టేస్తాను సార్.
Any doubt is there till here?
No, sir.
Understood how to analyze?
Yes, sir.
See, it will take some time for you to reach this level of analysis, but have patience. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you are trying to develop, there will be so many hurdles. You can see Hindu deities, that is a stone. You know, no? What is the Hindu deity? Stone only, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On the same stone, people stand outside. But if it is given proper shape, okay, of that god, then public will be praying that with folded hands. But to get to that shape, you know how many hittings it has to bear? The person who makes this will hit it, no?
Yes, sir.
He cannot keep the stone and pray and the deity won't come, no? So on one stone, people are standing and they do anything, urinating, anything they may do on that. But on the other stone, people are praying for that with folded hands so sacredly. Why? What is the difference between these two stones? One stone has taken up all the pains when the sculpture is hitting it. The other stone did not receive any hittings on the sculpture. Therefore, it is still lying like that, and the other one is receiving the prayers from all the people. Understood this? So if I am a sculptor, if you assume me as a sculpture, I am trying to hit you with very problematic problems which makes you very irritating. But at the end of the day, you will be respected in the society after you become an IIT. Okay, you check for that. You want to face these hittings of mine, or you want to just stay back and do simple ones like the stone outside. Which one you want?
Hitting.
Eating, sir.
Right, very good. Right, then go to your Krishna Mohan class. Okay. Right. Take it. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you,
In the
sir. Bye.
next class, I'll discuss your doubts. You don't worry. Right.
Yes, sir.
Bye.